Pakajang.
What's this? What's this? You gonna eat anything today or not?
No, not interested.
Picked their final 2 items, so they're back at their respective headquarters. In Liverpool, Simon's showing renovated Gemma his latest find. He's already 1 step ahead of him.
I think you're going to take this lovely lamp and you're going to cut it and use this as a tabletop.
Right, I am. And we're going to offset it and use it as the bed.
Yeah.
Right there.
Okay.
We're going to put the rest of the lamp back onto it, so it looks like the lampstand is carved through it.
Now I like that.
See?
Does